In this problem, you will be given n names. Formally, we can say that we will be given n strings. While taking each name as input, we have to do either of the following two operations. If the name has appeared previously, then we have to print the name and also an integer denoting how many times the name has appeared previously. If the name hasn't appeared previously, then you just have to print OK. We can easily solve this problem using map container. We will keep a map where the key will be a string and the value will be an integer. On each iteration after taking the input string, we will increase the corresponding integer value by 1 for that string in the map. Now for an input string, if the corresponding integer value in the map is 1, then we will print OK. Otherwise, we will print the string and the corresponding integer of it. I hope you understand the solution. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you have found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.